Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn how to start a free trial on Shopify. This is perfect if you want to create an online store without paying up front. First, check the link in the description to create an account on Shopify. Now, you need to create an account. Enter your email address in the first field. Make sure it is an email you can access because Shopify will send you important messages there. After that, choose a password for your account. Pick something secure that you can remember. Shopify will now take a moment to set up your new store. Once it is ready, you will see a few questions about your business. These include whether you are already selling products and what you plan to sell. Answer the questions as best as you can. If you are not sure about something, you can choose the "I'm just playing around" option. After that, click Next. You are now inside your Shopify dashboard. At this point, your free trial has started. Shopify usually offers a 3-day trial without asking for payment details right away. During this period, you can explore all the features, add products, and design your store.